guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to do this eye makeup. So colorful eye looks are so in trend right now and I just want to try something different this time. So I create this look and it's turned out so beautiful and I really like this look. So without further ado, let's just get started. So first I use Makeup Revolution concealer. I am in the shade C5 and I apply this on my eyelid and blend this with Dem Beauty blender. For eyeshadow palette, I use Makeup Revolution Tammi X Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette and picking up that matte purple eyeshadow on blending brush, and I apply this eyeshadow on my crease area as a transition shade. After that I take dark purple eyeshadow on flat brush. So here I first place eyeshadow on outer V area, then slowly drag brush towards the inner corner and apply that eyeshadow all over the crease line. Then I take same blending brush and blend that harsh edges so both the eyeshadow look seamless. So here I use same concealer and cut my half crease with the help of small detail brush. Then I take same flat brush and blend out that concealer edges. Next I take that neon yellow eyeshadow on smaller flat brush and apply this to my inner half lid area. Here I cover whole cut crease area with this eyeshadow. Again I use same flat brush and blend both the eyeshadow. Next I take same transition eyeshadow on blending brush and apply this on my lower lash line. After that I apply kohl on my waterline and smudge that kohl with the help of angular brush to give that smoky effect to the eye. For eyeliner I use Maybelline Colossal bold liner and here I draw a wink eyeliner. For mascara, I use Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and I apply this to my upper and lower lashes. Next I use Sugar Contour the Force Face palette and take that highlighter and apply this to my inner corner and on my brow bone. Here is my complete eye makeup. If you like this makeup, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go subscribe and share this video with your friends and family member. All product detail will be mentioned in the description box. Till then, bye.